MTDCNC are at Ansty Park today. We're at FANUC's headquarters and with Andy Spence. Andy, you have an event happening here on February the 19th, all about EDM technologies. Can you give our audience a little bit of an overview as to what they can expect to see if they visit?
Sure. All the new users will get to see the history of FANUC, RoboCut, all the features. Existing customers can see how the machine's advanced to the latest technology and latest options, etc.
So there'll be live cutting demonstrations here as well?
There will be live demos, yes. Obviously will be some presentations, PowerPoint presentations, but also each machine will have a demonstration running at some point during the day.
What would be your biggest message to, maybe let's talk about non-users of EDM technology. Why would they come to visit? Have these machines, and has this technology advanced so much that it's now lending itself to more or different applications?
For sure, technology has moved on, as in EDM technology, where you can cut a lot more materials, cutting speeds have improved, but it's the versatility of the machine, what you can cut and what you can do with it.
And the range is quite extensive as well, because you'll have the 400 here, you'll have the 600 here, and the 800 as well?
Yes, yeah, the 800 is our latest machine in the range, 800X, 600Y, and options up to 510 in Z.
Tell us about the time the event starts and if there's anything else here, because I know Renishaw are participating too.
Yeah, so we're looking at starting from around 9 o'clock for introductions, coffee, etc., meet and greet, followed by a facility tour so you can actually see what FANUC is about here.
And that's well worth doing as well, I have to say. That is some facility here.
Yeah, it's impressive. And then we'll have through the day the various machines with a demo on each machine. 3D printing from Renshaw will be here. So one of the machines will be showing the versatility of parting off the 3D parts once they've been printed.
And this is off the back of your tremendous year on EDM last year. I know you had a record year on sales on their EDM technology. February the 19th, put the date in your diary here, Ansty Park in Coventry, FANUC's headquarters. We'll be back here over the coming weeks to preview more detail about some of the demos that are actually going to be happening on the day. We'll put the link to register for the event just below in the comments on both YouTube and MTDCNC. Thank you very much, Andy. See you on the day.
Will do.